Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use shape crop using the Picsart app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Picsart app, then go to the plus icon which is on the bottom of the screen, and you can upload your images to the Picsart app by tapping on proceed on the top right corner and just choosing the images from your gallery. When you upload your images, they are going to appear here, and just by tapping on it, you can start editing your images. Now, to use the shape crop menu, you just have to tap on the tools icon and tap on shape crop. And with this tool, you can choose any kind of shape from this list, and it is going to crop your image to that exact shape, which is quite a useful and interesting tool. Let's choose this one, and after that you also have the option to set the size of the borders of the shape. As you can see, you can set it to like this, or you can remove the shape as well. And if you want to create borders, you can also change the color of the borders from this huge spectrum of colors, and you can also pick colors from your image. So if you would like to have the borders to have this color, then you can do that also, or you can just come here and pick and create your own colors with this list. As you can see, the possibilities are infinite. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can do it and how you can shape crop your images. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.